Hello guys, the Orange Turtle here, and I know it's been a long time since I last uploaded on this channel, but we finally are back in business, and my first video isn't going to be a game or anything, but it's going to be a video to help people who are having trouble with getting a new skin in Minecraft. I know that it's very hard when you join a Minecraft server and everyone's calling you ugly because you're a Steve. It's so annoying, but today I'm going to show you how to change that. So, what you're going to want to do first is go onto Google, and then you're going to want to type in Nova Skin, and click right here. And then you wait for everything to load in. That's my Minecraft skin right there. And you can see all the skins that people have created. Scroll up and down, whatever you want to do. You can search for a skin. Let's say search, search turtle. Turtle. And then it will come up with a bunch of turtles. And then you choose which skin you like. Let's say I like this one. And then you're going to take the skin that you found that you like a lot. Actually, let's find a new skin, because there's not much I'm going to be able to do with this skin. Let's search up Ninja. Yeah, that's what it is. And then click on a skin that you like. Let's say this one. And let's say that you want to change the white. Let's say that you want to change that. When you click down here on this little guy down here, if you click it once, it'll remove the top layer, which is basically like the upper layer. If you click a second time, it'll just remove that body part completely, so you can like see it on to what's next to it. And if you click on it again, it'll add both layers back. So let's just take all of his layers off. And now that all of his layers are off, we can come down here and we can select a color that we like. Let's say I want it to be red. And then you can color it in. And hey, if you don't want to do this, then you can just start a skin from scratch. But you just color it in, and if you make a mistake like I did there, you come down here and you press this. Press it again. And let's just say that I want a fully red dude. Yeah. Spaghetti sauce all over him. Look at that. Jimmy, how did you do this? Jimmy, gosh darn it. Jimmy, you got the spaghetti sauce out again, didn't you? So we're just gonna put spaghetti sauce all over Jimmy. Shh, don't tell his mom that we did it. Perfect. And then there's one more thing that I want to do. There we go. That's Jimmy. And then we're gonna add all his layers back. And that's what he looks like. Now, if you still don't like the way that Jimmy looks, you can also get out the mustard. You can also get out the, let's say that you got out the mayonnaise as well, or the tartar sauce. Gosh darn it, why did you get the tartar sauce out? And now you're just gonna, like, get it all over Jimmy. Gosh darn it, you got it on Jimmy. And just gonna get that all over Jimmy. And there you go. That's Jimmy. And then we need to do one more thing for Jimmy. It's for Jimmy. Jimmy would have wanted this. We're just gonna give him 2 streaks of green down his face. Oh yes. 1. Beautiful. Let's just add some green all over him. Voila. Oh yes. The art is done. And now that I've finished my beautiful skin, we're gonna click right over here, apply. And if you want to save it to work on it later, you can also click save. Let's say Jimmy 100. Oh, Jimmy. Let's just name him Jimmy, and his description is Jimmy got into the spaghetti sauce. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And now we're going to apply. And you click right there. And if you can choose classic or slim. And then you can upload. And if you want to go back, then you can go to reset your skin. So if this video gets enough likes, I will actually equip this as my character in Minecraft. No joke. But yeah, that's how you change your skin in Minecraft. I just showed you the full process. Have a good day or night or whatever time of the day it is where you are. But yeah, just have a good day or night or whatever time of the day it is. Bye-bye.